kaldero pwede. Ay, kape naman. Kape tayo.
Biyan nyo.
Ano? Sabi
Hi, Miss P. Ako. Pabata tayo ng pabata, kahit padagdag ang edad. We love you.
number lang yun.
Happy birthday po. More blessings to come. Good health po.
Thank you.
Isa lang. Kayo, gusto mo?
Ay, happy birthday, my dear sister. Alam mo, we bonded for life, kaya stick together lang tayo.
Birthday! Mahal na mahal kita.
Nas. Naman, I love
Happy
you.
birthday!
Eto na naman. Happy birthday. More birthdays.
Birthday, Kabel, from Lito and Pearly. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Han. Alam kong 65 ka na, pero sweet 65 pa rin naman eh.
Cha-cha-cha. Rudy, ito ka.
Baka di ba siya pa?
Another birthday yung masaya. Lagay mo dito, please.
Oh, cheers tayo, cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers na. Cheers.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Wow, I wish for 164 my years. Can you imagine?
Speech mo na, speech.
Speech. I have never had a birthday celebration like this in my life. And I have my beautiful people around me, my family first of all, and my wonderful friends. I thank you all very much taking the time and enjoy with me this 65th birthday. I hope next year we'll have a better year. Prosperity. And everybody will be happy, like? Kita mo si Justice, oh? How old Justice? How old are you?
Justice.
Tandaan mo lang.
64.
There you go.
Greetings daw.
Sige. Many happy birthdays to our celebrant.
Yes.
May she have another 65 years.
Bakit?
Na naman, imagine.
May vitamins, may mga energies, may power,
130 years. Sige, cut the cake.
Cut na, cut.
Oh, yeah. Angel pa, ha? You request that? May angel pa. Dapat may dance.
Do you remember?
Yung ano?
Pero mga subuan ng cake pagkakataon. Kasi subuan ng cake of birthday. Pero mga subuan ng cake of birthday.
Ano bang team song nila?
Wala, remember me.
Kala ko sabi mo, release me.
Laban.
Hindi. Please.
No problem. happy birthday. Sana abutin ka pa ng maraming birthday para lagi kami busog.
Happy birthday!
Tibel, happy birthday po. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Sister Belle.
Same here, sister. Happy birthday, Kabel. Yun lang po. Hello.
Birthday po kami. Thank you po sa lunch.
Happy birthday, Kabel. Wish you more blessings, good health, and more birthdays to come.
Hi, Kabel. Happy birthday. May you live longer. Very happy.
Happy birthday po, Abel. Thanks for the lunch.
Lakas, lakas!
Wala akong masabi.
Happy birthday lang, di masabi.
Happy birthday po, Ben.
Yun ang tama.
Kabel, thank you po sa lahat ng mga ginawa mo sa amin, tulong mo sa amin. Hindi ka namin makakalimutan kahit na lumipat kami sa ibang lugar. Ikaw pa rin ang Kabel na tumutulong sa amin. Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday po. Thank you.
Happy 65th birthday, ma'am. Sana po, hindi po kayo magbabago. Stay as sweet as you are. Thank you po.
Happy birthday na.
Happy birthday po.
Wala na?
Hindi ko makasama si Mrs.
Okay. Greetings.
Hello, Kabel. Thank you very much and happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday po. Thank you po sa pag-invite.
Ang din po natawagin muna si Ronaldo Jimenez. Isabel Pianya. Rodolfo Pianya. Sila po ay magiging official membro na ng IPC. Binibigyan po sila ng kanilang MO at kanilang ID.
Money order yun, kalito.
Okay, money order yan. Ito po,
Hindi, huwag muna kayo.
Money order.
Diyan lang muna kayo.
Money order to.
sunod-sunod na yan eh. Ito lang muna. Ay dito po ang magiging ating unang membro ng Cavite Command. Ang kanya po mga better half ay Major Pianya.
Wow!
Ito na po yung mga designated na mga opisyalis po ng Cavite Command. Siyempre po, kailangan mag-ano sila, mag-uniforme pagka ano po. Kaya ito po ang uniforme na ibibigay po sa ating piting ano lang. Ikaabot lang.
Hindi ako nangangako na gagawin kong lahat ang magawa ito maayos, pero ang may papangako ko, gagawin ko ang aking makakaya para hindi napapalaman. Ngayon po, yung mga nais umalit sa organisasyon nito, ngayon po ay katulad niyan, tatakbo pa lang kami, mag-umpisa pa lang kami mag-recruit. Kaya yung mga interesado, makipag-play sa atin at tatanong natin kay Gian Jason kung qualified kayo at i-recruit natin kayo. Ang totoo, si Justice Lapena, nakausap ko na kanina, pumayag na. Nagpalaki pa nga, nakakatulong ako dyan sa legal aspect at saka sa legal aspect. At meron pa kami nakakausap na maaaring tumanggal din ng tungkulin dito sa IPC. Si Sir Olivares. Si Liz Olivares na napapiling namin kagabi, hindi dahil sa politika, mga kapatid, dahil sa alam namin sa tumatakbo ng konsyal, at sabi nga namin, hindi kami bumoboto dahil kami mga American citizen. Pero, baka makakatulong siya, kaya isa sa mga re-reportin namin. Kilala niyo naman si Olivares, di ba? Nagkakatagal yung mga Olivares Plaza at makakatulong sila. Salamat po sa akin.
Anyway, thank you all for coming, making this a wonderful day. I never celebrate a birthday. This is the first time in my life I have a big birthday bash like this. And I thank you all, coming from my heart. And I do my best to help IPC. I'm a hard-working person. When I was going to school, I went to school. When I work, I work. When I retire, I retire. Now I have all the time in the world. And I accept all kinds of volunteer work. I am an officer in the church. I'm a wife to my wonderful husband. And I don't have kids, but of course, I have all kinds of things. I'm associated with SCAN. I'm also now just signed to IPC. So let's hope everything works out well for Tagaytay. And with all your help, this will be a wonderful province. I'm telling you, we will be with all these people who are going to give us livelihood, with the help of Olivares and many people that we have been talking to already.
That's not your way, I salute you.